we've got an awesome technique using two perfectly matched indicators to spot high probability trade entries and exits. Begin by opening TradingView and customizing a chart according to your preferences. We'll use the 15-minute Bitcoin chart as an example. But feel free to apply this strategy to any TradingView pair or time frame. Its adaptability makes it effective in various market conditions. Let's focus on the TMMS oscillator, a powerful tool that simplifies trading decisions. To add the TMMS oscillator to your TradingView chart, just follow these 3 steps. Search the TMMS oscillator within the indicators on TradingView. Choose the TMMS oscillator from the search result. Click on it to apply it to your chart. This innovative indicator merges two independent stochastic oscillators with one RSI, offering a comprehensive view of market momentum. After adding the TMMS oscillator, we'll make a couple of quick adjustments. Click on the gear icon beside the indicator's name, and in the Style section, change all histogram options to columns for better visibility. No further settings are required. Now let's discuss buy and sell signals using this method. When you notice the first green histogram bar appearing after a series of different colors bars, this indicates a buy signal. Essentially, this signals a shift in market momentum, suggesting an upward price movement is likely to occur. Conversely, when you observe the first red histogram bar following a sequence of different colored bars, this generates a sell signal. This indicates a potential downward shift in market momentum, presenting an opportunity to capitalize on a short position or exit a long position. As you study the charts, notice how effectively the indicator's buy and sell signals correspond with favorable market movement. This visual representation highlights the potential of the TMMS indicator to guide your trading decisions and enhance your overall success. I'm excited to share a way to further boost the accuracy and profitability of this strategy by introducing one of the most promising indicators I've discovered lately. But first, let me remind you that here at TradeGenius, we are dedicated to creating highly profitable trading strategies using free indicators. Our goal is to empower all of you to succeed in trading without incurring extra costs. To support our mission, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Now, let's delve into this incredible new indicator that will elevate your trading game and help you make the most of your time in the market. The second indicator we'll be using is the T3MA ribbon R1, an exceptional tool that complements the TMMS oscillator. To add it to your TradingView chart, search for the T3MA ribbon R1 within the indicators section and select from the results to add it to the chart. To optimize its performance and truly unlock the full potential of this strategy, a few settings need to be adjusted. Be sure to follow along closely with this video. the T3MA Ribbon R1 oscillator as a game changer for trader, as it ensures you're always trading in harmony with the market trend, significantly boosting your profit potential. Here's how to interpret the market trend with the T3MA Ribbon R1. If the price is below the ribbon, that signals a downtrend, promoting you to focus on sell opportunities and short positions. And when the price is above the green ribbon, it indicates an uptrend, suggesting buy opportunities and long positions. And when the price is within the ribbon, regardless of the ribbon color, it shows market consolidation or a sideways market. Exercise patience and await a clear breakout before entering a trade. Now that we understand the indicators, settings, and their individual functions, let's dive into the simple trading rules, starting with the buy trade rules. First, look for a green histogram bar following a series of other colored bars. This is your buy signal. Next, confirm an uptrend by ensuring the price is above the green ribbon. And once both these conditions are met, you're good to enter a buy position. After that, set your stop loss slightly below the market's most recent swing low for risk management. And finally, determine your trade target at 1.5 times the risk of your trade, optimizing your profit potential. Let's now explore the sell trade rules, designed to be just as simple and effective. First, watch for a red histogram bar appearing after a sequence of different colored bars. This is your sell signal. Next, verify a downtrend by ensuring the price is below the red ribbon. Once both conditions are satisfied, you can confidently enter a sell position. After that, set your stop loss slightly above the most recent swing high of the market to manage your risk. Lastly, establish your trade target at 1.5 times the trade risk, allowing you to maximize potential profits. Armed with these simple buy and sell rules, you now have a powerful scalping strategy using free TradingView indicators. Master this approach to elevate your trading success. And don't forget to watch our recommended video for more insights and tips to maximize your trades.